and we are about to go on a journey with a 1991 Mini Cooper. So this car is actually in for a full paint job with us. It's had most of its metalwork done already. So like I said, it looks pretty bad, but hopefully it's not too bad at all. So let's get into it and let's see what we find. So let's take a look at what we have here. What do you think, Claire?
It looks like it's in disrepair, but it's not as bad as it first appears. As you can see, Dan started sanding back this first panel here.
Just to see what the quality of the metal's like, but I think the metal's pretty good, really.
Pretty good, and we have got, I mean, it seems pretty straight as well. We've got a few cheeky little age-related dings, nothing major. All of this can be dealt with. Okay, so on a little bit more of a closer inspection, it's pretty nice. I mean, like Dan mentioned, the metalwork's already been done, so it's had a new rear balance put in. A couple of other little patch repairs and stuff, but oh no, really good.
Looks pretty solid, doesn't it? Okay. So a little look around the engine bay, and in all honesty, this car is pretty solid. Metalwork seems good. We've got a few areas that are going to need a little bit of loving, a few little dings going on, a little one in the roof there. A little bit smoothing to do over these rear arches. But now I think let's hit it with a sander. Okay, so we are in it, our hands are dirty, no messing around. How's your side gone? Have you found anything?
I found one or two things.
What have you found?
Okay, so first off, we have this little cutie here. Look at this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's about the size of my fingernail, so it's big, but it's manageable.
Yeah.
We can sort that, it's not a problem. So there's that one. And down here, we have quite a lot of filler, as you can see.
So it's probably had some work done before then.
I would imagine so. So we've got a lot of filler here. We've got a couple of bits of filler here. But structurally, not a problem. It's just more or less surfacey things, really.
Cool.
So that's what I've found. What have you found?
So I've been taking this wing back. Granted, I've already had a quick go on the other side, and that side was pretty good. And this side has a few dings and it's been messed with. I want to say it's had some previous repairs, but they're not really repairs because I'm going to have to repair them again. Overall, we are rock solid. We've just got a few little bits that need working.
So inside the shell is getting sanded back and sprayed as well, so it's all beautiful on the outside and the inside. Looks pretty good. Let me just spin this round for you so you can have a little look. Have a little look. So, the roof is pretty good. That looks scary on camera, but it's not. It's just the old glue. Yeah. So that needs to be sanded out and prepped and degunked. So get rid of all that.
That's why they call them a mini.
Yeah.
Not much room to move in here.
Everywhere else looks pretty good though. It's really nice.
Found something.
What?
Let's have a look what we got in here. Ah, brand new hinges.
Oh, that's nice. That'll be nice. Yeah.
With shiny brand new parts. We've got a few more parts coming for this. The owner's going to be delivering them to us as and when we're ready. The engine's currently off. That's getting a full rebuild. Same original Cooper engine's going back in it. Yeah, this is going to be a pretty fun build. So you've been standing, you've got dirt all over your face.
Funny how you never have any on your face.
Are you comfy sat there?
Yes, I am. So, instead of it looking like this bare shell on the inside, we do know that the customer is getting a full brand new interior, and it is going to be leather, but we're not releasing it.
It's quite a cool old wheel.
Do you think he'll be keeping that up?
I'm not too sure. That's not a bad look for it's not a bad looking wheel for a Mini that anyway.
No.
But it depends which way he's going with the interior. So, just have a first little quick look over the bonnet, and this bonnet for an old Mini Cooper is so smooth and super nice. Feels really nice. So I got really excited, and then I've come down inside. Come take a look down here. So I found a little bit of a hole there.
Ugh.
So that's going to affect the, well, straight away something like that, the structural integrity of the piece. But then I also noticed it really has.
Oh.
So that's going to need a repair. So as you can see, we're already starting to find things that are going to need that extra bit of loving. Yay.
Hey Dan, quick fire questions. Tell me some facts about Minis.
There's not a lot of room inside, and they handle really well.
Okay, anything else?
Mr. Bean absolutely loved them.
Anything else?
Ta-da!
So the classic Mini actually first went into production a very long time ago. 1959 was when the first ones rolled off the production line. And this one is a 1991, so as old as this car is, really, it's just a baby.
So when did they stop producing the Mini, Dan?
So I know they run these to mid to late 90s. I remember seeing some knocking about some Mini Coopers on like N-Regs and 98 plates and stuff. I think actually they stopped around the year 2000.
I'd say so, yeah. What do you think the world thought of the Mini when it was first released after the first creation of it?
So back in the late 50s, I think the general public would have been baffled by this Mini little car that came out. But it proved to be a massive success. So much of a success that Queen Elizabeth, she actually knighted the guy that designed it a good 10 years after it was first came out.
No way.
That pretty much wraps us up for our first installment on the Mini Cooper.
Sorry, I wasn't ready to make this. So like, share, and subscribe.
Guys, please stay tuned. I think we're getting really good at this YouTube stuff.